So what is really Omenala?
Observing nature.
So what is really Omenala?
The simplest definition of Omenala is observing nature in its totality. Observing nature. The word nature is originally from the word onetalo. Are you listening?
Yes.
The Igbo word onetara. Ndị Anambra ya kpụ onetalo ụwa. Ndị Igbo na-asụ n'onu onye isu ama Imo State Njaba ga-akpụ ya onetara. Onetalo. Onetara. You know, an Igbo word can interchange R and L.
Yes.
That is why you can see something like sometimes R, L, and N is interchanged.
Okay.
Onetano, onetalo, onetala.
Yeah.
Depending on whose dialect.
Yes.
Now, from the word onetalowa, because onetalowa is the full name for what you call owa.
Okay.
Owa, if you hear.
Wow.
The word is onetalowa, the overseer of the universe. The ancient Egyptian called it neta, because the Egyptian don't pronounce vowel sound. So the O was displaced for neta. From the word neta, the English word copied it and gave it nature. So Omenala is just nature, the cosmos, and everything within it. Are you not part of nature?
Yes, I am.
Are you not part of nature? Is the leaves not part of nature? Is the water body not part of nature? Anyango part of nature? Onwa part of nature? So Omenala is observing the totality of nature. Okay? Now, the truth is this. When people say Omenala, every of us bundo Omenala. For the fact ni Igbo onye Igbo, invariably Igbo onye Omenala. Do you know why? I will explain what I mean.
Okay.
Iwe biti ilu ni ilu, see anyanwụ na-acha. You've observed nature. Igbo onye Omenala. Oh, Milinezo, what did you observe? Nature. Igbo onye Omenala. Oh, anwụ na-etikwa. Ọnwa apụtago n'igwe. Nature. Igbo onye Omenala. So Omenala is not what you presume to be fetishism. In the sense that you see people na alụlụ aka. Gekwenti. Omenala is not what Nollywood projected it to be.
Okay.
Omenala is the totality of nature. I'll begin to explain bit by bit. For example, when we came to this plane from the astral plane, by sinufondo gwela atụlụ kpete wee bịa ebe a, anyị follow ọsọ ọkpala bụ nzu. When we saw this nzu, it is part of nature. I meet ebe a, ọ dị na ana ebia. Ọ na ana ka esi gutie. This thing was dug out of the earth. Right? It was dug out of the earth, but it came out very pure. Something that was dug out from dates, but came out very pure. So what do we do with it? Before we commune with our ancestors, we swear affidavit with this. You wait and you see? No, anamonyo bie the ocha. Ejimo bi ocha bia na Unique Generation TV. Obuna mu kulie buna ajive ka mbu no bibia nna ba metetena. Maka na ndị Igbo sigi na okwuchelu nwu iyi ka nke bụ eziokwu. He who says and swears is actually saying the truth. So when we take the nzu up, that's why adenye mmadụ nzu n'aka. When I take the nzu up, aja na mala onye obi ya dị ọcha. That is why when I want to commune with my ancestors, you see me keeping my feet on the ground so that they will scan my biometrics and see my data. Who begat me? Ndị aka akwụsị onye na-ekwu ive. Kedu onye ọbịa agbado nana? They've scanned me. Oh, this is the son of onye dịkasịgbo, the son of Uchechukwu, the son of Kwon, the son of Auji, the son of Aniono, the son of Ojiako. They will mention the hierarchy of my generation. Who was given birth by the daughter of Chiokwe Mabeze, who is Isioma, Mwopako, Ezikwe. So, maternally and paternally, my ancestor will say, oh, this is our own talking. What is his request? Gotcha offensive a bluesian of Jeluchukwu Okike. Akose. Akose, the oldest name of Chuku. Akose. Fabulebelen Bujezile Akose. The energy ahead of all energy. The Chuku, the totality of all cheese. So that everything I have been declaring will be summoned to the supreme being. So Omenala is observing nature. Example, when we say the word ritual, that is our problem. Ayada no Igbo. Ayada no Igbo. Ayada what Igbo. Ayada what Igbo. When I say I am a ritualist, what is ritual? The word ritual means that which you do at an appointed time, repeatedly.
Yes.
If you brush your teeth every morning, it's a ritual.
It's a ritual.
Eat a lineage every morning. It's a ritual. So who are the ritualists?
Everybody.
Ntetolo toto if na mona bụ ritualist. Ntetolo toto bulu nzunaka kpọkụ ndị ichiem. This is a ritual. The rite performed every morning. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Now, what do I gain by doing this? To tell those who have lived before me that I'm doing this. So, Bible, Exodus 20:13.
Yes. Adam, I did belong on earth.
So now there is a principle stipulated to us if you want to live long. Ephesians 1 and 2.
Yes.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Honor your father,
Honor thy father and thy mother. For this is
the
the first commandment
with
promise.
promise.
Exodus 20, na agụ ya na agbarata. If you are na afobo, mo nwe Jehova bụ Chineke gị, onye mere ka isi n'ala Egypt n'ụlọ ndị oru, akụkọ aja mbele. At the end of the day, o nwere nke ekwelu gị nkwa. Immediately he came to verse 13, ọ sị gị, sọpụrụzia nna gị na nne gị with a promise. Ka ụbọchị gị wee mee gịnị? So, if you want to live long, you must remember to honor thy father and thy mother. How do I honor my father and my mother? When I wake up in the morning, I chant. Honoring my father and my mother is not only my living parents. Are you getting my point? So, honor my father and my mother entails counting the genealogy of their existence. Who begot my mother? Who begot my mother's mother? Who begot my mother's mother's mother? That is my 4th to 5th to 7th till where I can remember. When I got to the place that I could no longer remember, do you know what I would say? Izuzugbe. Onya akpolo. Those who I cannot recount, those that I have recounted, should recount those before them. Because posterity is linkage resonated in my deoxyribonucleic acid, my DNA. So when we chant on our ancestors, we are communing with those who have lived before us. Oh, do you know if I take away one person from your gene, from your lineage, you will not exist?
Yes.
True or false?
True.
If I take away one person from your DNA, from your lineage, you will not be here.
Yes.
Oh, you can just say soplo na because some na will you gbasi na bedsheet. Asa all me put to wasa na so na bedsheet.
Yes. No. How go?
E wala hype su chapel. So just give credit to those people who transferred their energy to you.